We are back at the Gatsby Salon in Greenbrook, New Jersey, and today we are getting a keratin lash lift with Krista. The lash lift consists of 3 main steps, starting with the lifting cream, the fixing cream, and then the tint, which Krista mixes uniquely to each person. You have to come in with a clean face, at least clean lashes, but I would recommend no makeup. You can't get them wet for 24 hours, which is why I suggest going in with a clean face, so washing your face doesn't get them wet. During this 24 to 48 hour period, try your best not to sleep on your face or have anything pressed against your eyes when you were sleeping. And then after the 24 to 48 hours, you can wear mascara, but the best part is you don't have to, and this will last for 8 to 12 weeks. Make sure you stay until the end to see the final look. The process itself is about 90 minutes, but wasn't uncomfortable at all. It got a little warm, but nothing bad that got concerning. And if you don't fall asleep, which I totally could have, we talked the whole time and it made the time fly by. I cannot believe I went this long without ever having done this, and I will definitely be coming back. I'm obsessed with the results.